Thokozani bogogo nabomkhulu, thokozani makhehla mahle makhehla makhulu. Ngiyanamkela ku channel yami, right? So ngithanda uku-encourage abantwana bedlozi abathi gogo, this journey inzima ngendlela eyisimanga. Abantwana bedlozi, indlela eya empumelelweni noma indlela umvuzo wakhona omkhulu vele iye ibe nzima. Yabona, the minute uthi wena unabantu abadala, wena unedlozi and you're not even encountering problems, wonke umuntu wena uyakuthanda. Mntana edlozi, think mhlambi idlozi alikho. Ma unedlozi uyazondwa, ma unedlozi awuthandwa. And do not seek ukuthi uthandwe, because the more ufuna ukuthandwa, it's the more uzofuna ukuyenza okuhle for abantu. It's the more you would want to explain yourself, even when you're not supposed to explain yourself. And one thing about idlozi, bonke labantu bayenzele okuhle Nkosi yami, bayokuzwisa ubuhlungu obundlula lobu owabuzwa. Bese ukhala inyembezi uthi mina abantu ngibayenzela lokho. It's because you were expecting them to love you, you were expecting them to understand you, you were expecting them to return the favor, of which akenzakali ngaleyo ndlela. So save yourself, about who you are. Do not explain yourself. Inzima lendlela. Inzima lendlela. It's not for the faint-hearted. It's not one size fit all. Asina madlozi afanayo. One thing efanele uyazi, asina madlozi afanayo. So when I stick to your lane, one thing I've understood about idlozi liyakhuluma. Just that we overlook the signs, we overlook the message they're trying to give us. Bese thina siyakhala ukuthi ayibo gogo kunzima, but bantu abadala, it's never easy. Ningasiboni sihleka. It's never easy and it will never be easy. Akuzange kube lula kubo khokho bethu, kubo khokho mkhulu bethu. And angeke kuzegcine kukushintshe mase kufika kuthini. When I just know yourself ukuthi ekuzalekeni kwakho wakhethwa, awuzange ube nedlozi una 29, awuzange ube nedlozi una 40. Idlozi uzalwe nalo. Even if they can say umama kho wabaleka ubizo lwakho manje luye aliyanga kuwe, yena waye nebizo lwakhe na unobizo lwakho, but because yena akaphethanga okwakhe ingakho kuza ngeforce kuwena. But uzalwe unalo. I'll transferanga nje out of the blue. Signs have always been there. Just that if ufana nathi esikhule sikholwe kakhulu, you know, nobody is there to explain ukuthi maso ubona kanje, maso uphupha kanje kenzakalani. That's why silahleka. But at the end of the day, angeke ushayeke ngenxa yokuthi wawungazi manje soyazi. What are you doing about it? Ulindeni ukuthi ulale esibhedlela, ulinde ukuthi izingane zishone, ulinde ukugula, ulinde ukuthola iaccident, inyawo likhathwe nje, ulinde uphethe into zakho songenanyawo. Phaphama kusase manje, phaphama usanemali. Hear from us who are like, kube ngayenza into zami ngisanamandla, kube ngayenza into zami ngisasebenza. Okwenza into zedlozi ungasasebenzi, trust me, it's not easy. A lot of people will come and be like, hey, izangoma uNkulunkulu uniphe isiphiwo, abaprofeti or uniphe isiphiwo for free, so why do you have to charge people? That's a lie. That's a lie. Yonke into iyakhokhwa, iyakhanyiswa. Uya kumuntu ngisemanzini fanele ukhanyise. Umuntu kupha umuthi uyakhanyisa, uyo consulta kuyakhanyisa. Uyephehlweni yokhokho 20,000 even more because of iphehlo liyadura. Those who've been ephehlweni know ukuthi kungathiwa inkomo kaGobela imali engaka, but you end up paying more and you get to realize ukuthi ayibo let offer ukuthi university school fees. So if you went to varsity, you expect to get a job and get paid, then lo idlozi lakhe lathi no wena uyikule varsity esilungu uyakule varsity esintu, then you expect them ukuthi balambe. No ayisebenzi kanjalo. But yeah, hope it makes sense. emakhosini lesedi Kganya Camaku Ndawo Thokozani bantwana bedlozi